Hey, everybody. My name is Tim Shadone. I'm actually one of the sales account specialists here at Next Chapter. Today, we are going to be going over our brand new feature that we had just released a few months back, actually, and that's going to be our Doc Creator feature. Really awesome feature, I think, in my opinion. And, one of the cool things that we do provide is obviously it's something that with our Doc Creator, you're going to be able to purchase whether you're on our Start or Start Plus plan, you're able to purchase on an a la carte basis, or obviously it is going to be coming with one of our yearly plans here, which is the WOE plan. So it will be included in that as well. But we'll go over that in a little bit more detail here as well as I go on. Obviously, if you guys have any questions, while we're working through the webinar, I will definitely make sure to keep up to date on this chat. Just go ahead and throw them in the chat, or obviously there's that Ask Question tab down at the bottom. You can also use that as well. And I'll be sure to try and get to all the questions here, at the end, or obviously I'll come back in between while I'm sharing my screen so I can also view those as well. So obviously, if you have any questions, feel free to use the chat or the tab down there. But just give me 1 second here. I'm actually going to pull up my screen here so that you guys are obviously able to see that. All right. Is everybody able to see that clear enough, or does anybody need me to zoom in at all? All right. Thanks, Shelby. Awesome. So let's go. Oh, and Felipe. Perfect. Awesome, guys. That's great. So obviously just to kind of get things started here and going off of, our home screen, because that's where we're at right here, right? For all you people that maybe hadn't signed up with us but are attending this webinar, this is the home screen of Next Chapter, right? So when you log into Next Chapter, this is where you're going to come into. To get things started, what I want to do for our Doc Creators, I'm actually going to hop into this case here. And that's going to bring up my case dashboard. The first thing I actually want to go over is going to be our quick info section here. So obviously you can see within our quick info section, we have different statuses of cases, whether it's a lead, in progress, ready to review. We also have some certain dates in here. And then we also even have these certain type of fields here that you are able to use as well. So obviously this is important because this is where you're going to add a lot of information for your certain case into, signing date, Chapter 13 plan payment due, or obviously going ahead and throwing in the opposing counsel or paralegal name. You can actually add certain dates. You're able to actually add certain custom fields like the paralegal name or opposing counsel. You can add those to that and use that in our Doc Creator, which I'll show you here in just a second. But if you want to add any custom fields, any custom dates in here, what you're going to do is actually come over into My Account Settings here. When you come into My Account Settings, you are going to actually come down into Firm Defaults here at the bottom. Once you reach Firm Defaults, you're going to see your Quick Info button. This is where you can actually change statuses, add these firm created events, or even add those custom fields that you saw in that Quick Info. It's very easy to add. You just add whatever you need to here, or obviously for a firm created event, just go ahead and hit Add Event, and then you're able to label that there. The reason that's important is because that is going to be what those merge tags are used for, which you'll understand what I'm talking about when I get into our Doc Creator templates. So with our Doc Creator, the really nice thing here is obviously you have what you can do is actually type out a complete blank template if you would like. If you already have the template, or if you already have a template that you use in Word, you are able to import the template here as well just by selecting the doc and then going ahead and creating it. Or obviously you can come in and copy and paste and create a template. So you're able to copy and paste anything from Word and anything from like a Google Drive. You are able to do that within our Doc Creator templates. Now, what I want to actually do here is I do want to go over one of the templates that I already have just so you are able to see that. But if you ever want to create a blank template, import a template or anything like that, that's going to be done right up here. But I'm going to actually come into this motion to redact personal information, right? So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to pull up the edit template. Obviously you are able to come in here and see Obviously, with these merge tag fields, this is where I can actually start to drag those in. So if I have the name, I just want the name of the debtor here. I'm going to come down into debtor's full name. And I'm going to go ahead and drag that in there. Now the debtor's full name is actually going to show up right in here. So I am able to have that in there. And obviously, once I hit this preview button, search by case name, I'm going to put, let's go Danny, California. Go ahead and preview that. This is going to bring up Danny, California right over here in the name. So you are able to have that. And then you also can do a lot more other things. Obviously, this is what I'm talking about when I was talking the merge tag fields. This is what I'm talking about when using. I mean, it's very easy, obviously, to just drag and drop these in here wherever you need to as well. But these are where you can actually add those custom fields, but also those custom dates as well, so that those are showing up in your certain document templates here. So it's a really nice feature to have. And this acts just like a Word document, right? So if I have this in here, obviously I can do all kinds of things as far as highlight. I can even come in and add my own signature in here. If I wanted to add something, I can add that, apply it, and then I can post this anywhere in my doc. And then obviously I can just come in here and save it. That's the really nice thing. And then that template's saved for you. So once you go into cases and everything, those cases, it's going to just actually go in and pull the information in from that case for you so that it's easily able to read the cases. I do want to show you obviously how to go ahead and add that as well. So what I'm going to actually do here, is there any questions as far as going over anything there? I know that was kind of a quick preview. Quick overview, but was there anything in particular? All right, doesn't look like it. Perfect. So what I'm actually going to do here is I'm going to actually come in and I'm going to hop into Frosty the Snowman here. And I'm going to come down into my additional documents. So this is where you can actually find your doc creator within your actual case. So let's say I do want to create the doc. I have the template all set up. I obviously don't need that. The template's all set up. I just want all of this stuff, all of the merge tags to actually have the case information in there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and select the template. So let's go with that motion to redact. I'm going to go ahead and add that template. It's going to generate that template for me here where I am able to have that here. And then all I have to do is save it. Now that it's successfully saved, or obviously I can export it as well in here. And then what I want to do when I export it is if I want to use this, I want to save it in here to my client document storage. So I'm going to save that in here, right? And now that it's in my client document storage, I can get out of this. You can see it right here as well, where you can edit, duplicate, you can edit it right through the doc creator right here. But what you can also do is if you want to access it again, you can come into your client document storage and there's my custom document motion to redact personal information in here. So that I can use it if I need to. I can file it directly with the court. If I have the proper event code in here or anything like that, I am able to use this here as well. Again, it's a really cool product, and obviously with our with the purchase price as well. So currently we are running a deal right now for the entire month of December. We are going to be running our Pro Plus plan, which is normally $15.99 for the entire year, is going to be actually the price of our WOE plan, which comes with that custom doc creator. So you can get the WOE plan, which is normally $19.99 for the year. You can actually bring it all the way down to $15.99 for the year, and you guys would be able to still get access to that doc creator, which is obviously really nice. If the doc creator is something that you want to purchase a la carte, you are also able to do that with our add-on tools, and that's going to be $400 for the year that you're able to purchase that, and you'll get it again. Once you purchase it, you'll have access to the doc creator for the entire year, and then it'll obviously ask you if you want to renew at the end. But obviously with our pricing plans, like I said before, this package is not going for that price anymore. For this month, this package will be going at our $15.99 a year package here instead. So we are kind of giving that Doc Creator away for you guys and giving you guys that kind of discount, especially for the month of December. Obviously, if you guys have any questions regarding our Doc Creator or anything really in particular, feel free to reach out to us at the sales team. I'm actually going to throw our sales email in here. Feel free to send us an email at any time. We are always available here, and we definitely will do our best to get back to you as soon as possible. Or obviously, if you need to, go ahead and give us a call. We'll be sure to also help you out and answer any questions. But it's also another way, if you guys wanted to see the Doc Creator a little bit more in depth, make sure that you saw everything right, or you got all your questions answered, know exactly how to use it. Feel free to schedule a demo with us. We'll definitely be sure to give you guys a demo as well. But that's all I had. I'll stay in here for just a couple more minutes. Obviously, if we do have any more questions, would love to hear those from you guys. Was there any questions? Oh, did have a question. Felipe, is there tech support live person phone number? Yes, there is. If you just call our office line, which is 888-861-7122, you will be able to get connected to somebody. Just make sure that you are an existing customer as well, and they will definitely be sure to help you out. We also do have, if you need to as well, you can use our in-app chat right here, and they will definitely be sure to make sure they get back to you as soon as possible as well. So hopefully, obviously, yes, I can give you the number again. Hold on. I'll actually just type it in here. And our customer support team will be sure to get back to you there. So obviously, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Hopefully you got something out of this that was useful, and hopefully everybody had a really great holiday as well. So hopefully I'll be seeing you guys here very, very soon, and everything like that. So thank you very much, guys, and have a great rest of the day. See ya.